Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Hello and welcome to Echoes of Antiquity, your go-to channel for exploring the timeless wisdom of great philosophers. Today, we dive into the profound words of Aristotle, one of the most influential thinkers in history. But before we delve into the lessons we can glean from his famous quote, let's take a moment to get to know this remarkable philosopher. Aristotle, born in 384 BC in Stagira, was a Greek philosopher and scientist. He was a student of Plato and later became the tutor of Alexander the Great. Aristotle's contributions to various fields, such as ethics, politics, biology, and metaphysics have left an indelible mark on human thought. Now, let's unravel the wisdom embedded in his statement, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom. Self-reflection leads to wisdom. Aristotle's quote reminds us that true wisdom begins with self-awareness. In our fast-paced lives, it's easy to lose touch with ourselves. Taking the time to reflect on our thoughts, emotions, and actions allows us to gain insights into our strengths and weaknesses. By understanding ourselves better, we can make informed decisions and pursue a more fulfilling life. Embrace self-discovery. To truly know oneself, we must be willing to embrace self-discovery. This journey may involve confronting uncomfortable truths about our character, habits, and aspirations. Embracing these aspects, both positive and negative, can lead to personal growth and self-improvement. Remember, self-discovery is an ongoing process, and it's never too late to start. Authenticity breeds fulfillment. Aristotle's wisdom underscores the importance of authenticity. When we align our actions and choices with our true selves, we experience a profound sense of fulfillment. Living authentically means staying true to our values and beliefs, even when faced with external pressures to conform. It's a path to inner peace and contentment. Learn from mistakes. Self-knowledge also involves acknowledging our mistakes and learning from them. Aristotle believed that errors are an essential part of our journey toward wisdom. By reflecting on our past actions and understanding why we made certain choices, we can avoid repeating the same mistakes and make better decisions in the future. Cultivate empathy. Knowing ourselves extends beyond introspection. It involves developing empathy and understanding for others. When we truly know ourselves, we become more compassionate and empathetic toward the struggles and experiences of those around us. This, in turn, strengthens our relationships and fosters a sense of connectedness. Set meaningful goals. Self-awareness empowers us to set meaningful and achievable goals. By understanding our passions and talents, we can pursue paths that align with our true selves. This not only leads to greater success but also a deeper sense of purpose and satisfaction in life. Adapt and evolve. Aristotle's wisdom reminds us that self-knowledge is not static. We are constantly evolving and changing. Embrace the idea that self-discovery is an ongoing journey. As we adapt to new experiences and challenges, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and continue to grow wiser. In conclusion, Aristotle's timeless quote, "Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom," serves as a profound guide to living a fulfilling life. By practicing self-reflection, embracing self-discovery, and staying true to our authentic selves, we can navigate life's complexities with greater clarity and purpose. Here are some other insightful quotes by Aristotle that you might find inspiring. 1. Happiness depends upon ourselves. 2. The more you know, the more you realize you don't know. 3. Excellence is never an accident, it is always the result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, skillful execution, and the vision to see obstacles as opportunities. As we wrap up our exploration of Aristotle's wisdom, remember that the journey of self-discovery is a lifelong pursuit. It's not about reaching a destination but rather embracing the process of becoming your best self. In the words of Aristotle, knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom, and it's a journey worth embarking on. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to Echoes of Antiquity, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on self-discovery and wisdom. Thank you for joining us today on Echoes of Antiquity. If you're hungry for more philosophical insights, check out our previous video where we discussed Plato's famous quote, "Necessity is the mother of invention." It's a fascinating exploration of the intersection of necessity and innovation. Click the link in the description to watch it now. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking wisdom from the echoes of the past. Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom.